Guys, do you want to learn how to install NetBeans IDE for running your Java program? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you complete installation of NetBeans IDE. Also, I will be showing you how to create and run first Java program using it. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for NetBeans downloads. And herein guys, you can see the official website of Apache NetBeans. You need to simply click on this link, Apache NetBeans releases. So it will redirect you to this page, and herein guys, you can see downloads of Apache NetBeans. You can click on any of the download button. So guys, again, it will redirect you to this page, and here just scroll down. We have installer and packages. Here you need to click on this link. So it will redirect you to again a new page, and here just scroll down and go to download section, and we have downloads for different operating system. We will be installing for Windows. Now guys, Apache NetBeans comes with Java JDK. You don't have to install JDK separately. So just click on this button and it will start downloading your Apache NetBeans. So guys, it will take a while. We will wait for it. So guys, the download of Apache NetBeans is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe. Let me minimize my browser guys. And now here guys, it is asking me permission. So I'm going to click on yes button. And guys, here it is showing me location where your Apache NetBeans will be installed. So I'm okay with this. I'm going to click on next button. And herein guys, this is going to create a shortcut on desktop. So click on next button. And now finally click on install button. So the installation of Apache NetBeans has started. It will again take a while, so please wait for it. Okay guys, so the installation is done. You can see the icon has been created on desktop, and here it's showing us launch Apache NetBeans. So yes, I would like to launch. If you don't want to launch now, later on, you can search in Windows search. So I want to launch right now, so I'm clicking on finish button. So my IDE is getting started, and this is welcome screen of Apache NetBeans. So now next step is what? Creation of new project. So for that, I will be going to file menu, and here I'm going to select new project option. And now guys, we have categories available. So under this categories, I'm going to select Java with and in template, I'm going to select Java application. And just click on this next button. So we are running IDE first time, so you will get this step. And now we are getting this page. Here we need to provide certain details related to our project. So first we need to provide project name. So I'm giving project name as Hello Demo. And this is a default location where your project will be created. If you wish to change, you can just click on browse button and change it. And below guys, you can see we have create main class. Just check mark this if you want to create a class with main method. So here you can see it's showing me package name and class name. So my package name is going to be Hello Demo, and in that there will be a class Hello Demo created, and under that we will have main method. So everything is fine guys. We will click on finish button. Now you can see here the project has been created under the package Hello Demo. We have hello demo.java. So let's go to this Java code, and here I will delete this comment. You can see at the top we have package name, class name and main method. So I'm just deleting the comment, and for printing a simple line, I'm going to just type S out and I'm going to press tab. So here you can see system.out.println has been generated. Just type whatever message you want to type, and done guys. Now I'm going to run. So for that, I'm going to click on this play button, and you can see guys, I'm getting my output in output tab. Whatever I have written, I'm getting here. So this way guys, you can download and install Apache NetBeans, and you can create your first Java project. I hope guys, by following my video, you are really able to install NetBeans and you are able to create your first Java application. So guys, if really my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button. And guys, you can share my videos to your friends. If you have any query, you can put in comment box, or you can send me my IG also. But before that, follow me on my IG. And guys, I'm having my website, and there I'm having lots of tutorial. You can just visit my website And guys, I'm sharing my all social media link in description box. Certainly you can join or follow me there also. I'm sharing lots of stuff on my Telegram. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. If my video are really helping you, don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on the latest topic. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.